The wheels on this car are standard, as you can see, the silver, and it looks like there's some layer of paint that is on top of the normal aluminum or alloy material. So I don't know what was happening. I'm thinking of changing them to black. Hopefully that will take care of the frustration that I always have. I don't know what this is. It's sort of like paint. Looks like someone went in with spray paint or something just to sort of make them a little bit better. So I'm going to remove them, get them off the car, prep them, and paint them black, matte black. So hopefully they will look nice. I'll show you the spray that I'm going to use for this project. So let me get these off the car. So these wheels are going through a makeover today. I'm going to paint them black. Hopefully that will come out nice. So I've cleaned them up and I'm going to try and scuff them down a bit with put some steel wool and some things that I'm going to use. Hopefully that will work. So let me do that now. Now this is much better than that silver that I wasn't sure what is happening there. I love the new look on the wheels, matte black. I think they'll go nicely with the silver car. So they are drying up now. Once they dry, then I'll put them on the car and then see how it actually looks now with these new wheels. Well, newly painted wheels. So they look nice. Yeah, I really like the matte black, the matte finish on the black. It's nice. So let me just put them on the car and then see what happens. But I really like it. I think the car will look much better. Okay, now let's get the wheel back on. This combination looks really nice. Right. Okay, let's get this car on the ground. Yeah, no, love that. Like it a lot. Let's tighten these bolts. 120. One last piece to go in. Ooh, okay. Now that looks nice. This is completely different. Okay, let me remove this tape. I don't know about you, but I love how it looks now. Completely different. Red calipers, black wheels, black center caps, shiny bolts or nuts or lock nuts, whatever you want to call them. But overall, I love this look. I think it changes the car completely, gives it a different identity, and I love that. It was a lot of work, but I think it's time to just stand back and look at all of this. It really comes out nice. It's really, really nice. I love the combination, the black wheels and the red calipers. I'm finally done after a long day. I've got the wheels back on the car. I don't have the center cap yet on the front one because it's still not completely dry. Once it is, then I'll put it back on the car. This one, on the other hand, it is back on the car. Everything's completed here and I love the look. The black wheels, I'm not really a fan of black wheels, but for some reason, these ones, they work really well on this car. And looking at the calipers and the tail light, that red, it pops and it really gives it that nice look. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And please click on that bell to be notified as soon as a new video gets uploaded, and I'll catch you guys next time.